Hello everybody! This is Debate Ruben, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft 1.2.3 Bukkit server. Yeah. So, yeah. This is my PvP server that I'm hosting. It's up 24/7, and if you want to join, I'll have an IP on the screen or in the description if you want to check it out. So this is what we're going to be setting up today. So first of all, let's go to open up your internet browser and go to www.bukkit.org. I'll have a link in the description, and you want to go ahead and click on Get Craft Bukkit, and then you want to click on Get recommended build, but I already have it downloaded, so just go ahead and download that. I'll also have a link in the description to an always updated craft bucket, so you can just always know where to easily find it on my video. So yeah, go ahead and create a new folder. I'm going to name it tutorial, and go ahead and open up where you saved craft bucket and go ahead and drag it in the new folder, and it will be named like craft bucket like one, or like craft bucket dash a bunch of shit. You just want to change it so it says craft bucket. So once you've done that, it should look like this, and then the next step, you want to go ahead and open back up your internet browser, and it's on the same page. What we're going to be doing now is making a run.bat. So here's the codes, and the top one is for Java 6 users, and the bottom one is for Java 7. So note which one you have, and pay attention to this too. If you are running in a 32-bit mode on a 64-bit machine, change program files to program files x86. So I don't have to do that, but yeah, go ahead and copy whatever code and do new text document. Don't have to name it anything, but just open it, and make sure you have Notepad++. Open it with Notepad++. Go ahead and paste the code in there, and make sure right here it says craftbucket.jar. If it doesn't say that, if it says like dash 1.2 whatever, make it say just craft bucket so it matches this. So yeah, and right here is where you change how much RAM is dedicated to the server. So right, it's by default it is set to 1 gigabyte, which is for every gig of RAM it's 1024 megabytes. So that's the default setting. If you wish to change that, just change the numbers. So yeah, and then go ahead and do file, save as once you're done, and name it run.bat, and then you have to save it as a batch file. Go ahead and save, and then you can delete the new text document. So yeah, all good so far? Yeah, I think so. I'm doing pretty good. But so now you're ready to start your server for the first time, but we have not yet port forwarded. So right now, if you started it, you could join your server, but nobody else could because you haven't port forwarded yet. If you have, good for you. High five. Yes. But go ahead and double click on run, and I have to change the port because I already have one on there. But for you, as long as you don't have a server running on the default port, it will run correctly, and it will generate all this good stuff. So you can either let it load, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you that you can connect to your own server right now. So yeah, just an easy way to connect to your server. If you're using default port, you just type in localhost, but if you have a port on it, you have to type colon and then whatever the port is. This one's set to 25566. So, and then join server, and you can see I'm joining. I got stuck in a jungle, a forest thingy. These things are badass, just saying. These forests are so fucking sweet. Yeah, giant fucking trees. Yeah, giant fucking trees. But alright, so that's how you can connect quickly. And now to Portforward, go ahead and click on the start button. And if you're running Windows Vista or Windows 7, just follow me. But if you're running Windows XP, you're going to have to click on run first. It's like over here, I think. So go ahead and type in CMD and then click on CMD, and then this thing will pop up, and go ahead and type in ipconfig. Alright, and it will pop up a bunch of different stuff. What you need to write down or memorize or whatever is your IPv4 address, which is this one, and your default gateway. First, we're going to be using the default gateway, so go ahead and open your internet back up and go ahead and type in your default gateway. Mine's 192.168.2.1. Yours might be the same, but it might be different, so go ahead and type that in and then click enter, and it will take you to your router setup. Mine's a Belkin, so it took me to this site. And what you want to look for, it will be called like Portforward or virtual servers or something along that line. Mine's over here on the side. I don't really know where some of the other setups are, but as you can see, virtual servers right here. I'll go ahead and click that, and mine's just default password and stuff, so I don't even have one, but yours might have a password, so you have to find out what that is. It might not. And you can see I've already port forward. This one's for my PvP server, and this one's actually for the one I'm doing right now, but I'm going to go ahead and do another one to show you guys an example. So I'm going to go ahead and click enable, and I'm going to name it Minecraft 3, and then I'm going to type in the port I want it to be, 25567. You gotta put the type it is. Mine's TCP, and then this is your IPv4 address. So this one, go ahead and type it, or it'll have like the first, you just gotta type in the last number, and mine is 6. So I'll type in a 6, and then I'll type the same port I typed over here once again. So 25567, and then I'm going to go ahead and click apply changes, and it will take like 10 seconds. But people will be able to join your server after this, and yeah, you can see it was added. So yeah, that's how you make a server, and I'll go ahead and connect to it one more time to show you guys. You can see that I connected over here in the server. Direct connect, local host. That's exactly what you want to type if you don't have a special port, but I have 25566. So I'll click join server, and I have joined it, and you can see I'm typing blah blah blah. It's a multiplayer server. So yeah, that's how you do it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you if it helped you, and if it did, go ahead and put a message in the description if you want me to make like a plugins video or something along those lines that you guys need help with. So yeah, just please give it a rating. If you like my videos, subscribe, it helps a lot. And yeah, if you play Minecraft, try to join my PvP server. I have 12 gigs of RAM dedicated to it, running on 6 cores, so it has an amazing connection. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. But one more thing I want to point out: when you're going to stop a server, you generally want to do save-all and then type stop, and that will stop it properly. So yeah, and you can see it disconnected me because I stopped the server. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you. Peace.